Hello, everyone. This is Steve from True Market Finance, and just wanted to throw out there that give you guys a chart of the day. My chart of the day here today is going to be Halliburton Company. As you can see on our weekly chart, it's in an uptrend, and it also is, as I put into the couple arrows here, we got an uptrend here, and also we've gone over. Now we have a green line here and a blue line, meaning it's above there, so it's going up, and we got a buy signal here. This is on our weekly chart. As you all know, we are in a strong uptrend in oil lately with war in Ukraine and the way that the oil has been cut back in the U.S. and so on and so forth. Halliburton Company provides products and services to the energy industry worldwide and operates in two segments: completion and production, and drilling and equivalation. Which you all know. This is a well-known company, and which I don't have to explain so much, which is nice. Um, we have Wall Street analysts issued 13 strong buys, 8 buys, 5 holds, and 1 underperformance option on the stock. Some analysts have a price target as high as $45. The individual investor following the stock, Monolith Fool, voted 3,330 to 195 for the stock to beat the market, with the more experienced investors voting 426 to 36 for the same result. 104,760 investors are monitoring the stock on Seeking Alpha. And I just want to put out there, guys, just because I put these, just want to put a disclosure in this that, even though I think this stock is a great buy, I don't hold it on that ever and give financial advice. So also, as well as, do your analysis on this stock as well before you put a bunch of money into it. As well, guys, I hope you're working on your portfolios and putting in alerts like I showed you the other day in the previous video. Put in your alerts right here, and then you can monitor that back. As well, when you put into a buy on, if you decide to go with Halliburton, if you decide to put a buy in, make sure you put a stop limit order above your price for the next day, and put your stop just below it. Go into the bar chart and do it that way. This is how Haganachi charts. I love them because they just show a nicer, cleaner chart, and it's on a weekly. To do a position, I go onto the daily chart and then go into a bar candlestick, and then do my put in my stop limit and stops on behind that. Make sure always, guys, make sure you have a stop. If you get stopped out, well, hey, you're not going to lose your shirt. But if you don't, uh, you know, next day this thing could open and some bad news comes in and woof, all of a sudden you're wiped right out. Like you don't want to, you want to protect that account, especially with the volatility that we have in the past while. So anyway, this is the chart of that uptrend. And as well, guys, I'm hoping that you are working on paying down debt and cleaning up all that so that when we're paying interest, we pay interest to ourselves. We don't pay interest to banks. We don't pay interest to credit cards. We don't pay interest to anyone but ourselves. Um, Work on that, guys. You will be a lot richer and a lot happier. Um, the little bit of pain that's going to take for the next while to pay down those debts, get rid of car payments, and all those things. It's not going to be fun. Um, would have been easier during the pandemic because of uh, everything shut down. You couldn't do anything anyways, which was a little simpler that way. But make sure you live within your means. Um, and if you have a small account or if you're working on paying that down, just throw $20 a week, $20 a week into your broker account. Um, and that will grow, guys. That's $80. And we can work with that, $80, and then you can buy, you know, I would probably wait till you had at least $200 in there before you bought a stock because you want to put at least that much on it. We'll work on risk reward in another uh, video. But with that, you want to make sure you got everything going on. I'm really hoping yeah, we are good. Um, so make sure you protect that. So when you're paying your interest to yourself, um, we're buying stocks with that, building our portfolio with that. Instead of paying those banks, you're going to be paying yourself, which is I'm explaining in that would be you make the upswing on that stock, so you're making money on that. You're making money on the dividend, which most of the stocks nowadays we have dividends, and so that's going to grow your account. Um, and we're going to work together on protecting our accounts, guys. So we'll go into uh, different um, sectors and things like that that are looking good, and you can see those in the previous videos too. But we'll, as we go, we'll make some more videos on that, and we'll make them a little more clearer and better for you guys. But what I wanted to just throw out this quick video today so that you guys can see um, my chart for the day and give you a little positive uplifting for the week ahead. It's probably going to be another one of those crazy weeks. I'm still predicting the market's going to go down continually. There's just too many things going against it right now. So I think we're going to continually down. So um, with that, I'm trying to find stocks to short. There's an odd position like I have in Dollarama that we went over in a previous video that I'm in a long position because with the inflation, things like that, I think people start flowing that direction. Um, to try and save, any dollars they can. Same kind of thing. Costco. Costco really took a jump the other day too, because it's same thing. People are trying to save money in gas. People are trying to save money in their groceries, and smart. We all got to cut back to where we can. If we got heat on, cut the heat back to try and save money in our daily lives. And so on and so forth. So, with that, guys, I want to wish you a great week, and keep your head up, and we'll talk more. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, and we'll go over more and more charts of the days and more charts and sectors, and we will build our portfolios together. Anyway, guys, have a great day, great weekend, and we will talk later.